There's so much happening here in headquarters today. It's all about the NFT shoot that we are doing.
This is what happens when you need to do 2,000 photos.
There's so much going on.
You're going to be doing lots and lots of shots.
He needs to average one photo per 30 seconds.
Such a slow start. Hiccups here, hiccups there.
Second day, we have completed over 400 pictures. Last night we finished at 12. Today we have over 700 pictures. It's gonna be a challenge.
Here we go again.
Everything's action here.
We've only just started. It's been like half an hour, but it's intense, but it's fun. So fun. I'm having so much fun.
There's few changes about the stations that we're gonna be having today. So each model will come here, will grab their ticket.
So on the ticket is the ticket number, the token number, the model name, and then these are the different categories on the NFT.
That is your combination for the actual picture. After you get the combination for the picture, you will come to a second station where you are gonna pick up your items. Otis will start shouting out.
I need the blue feather earrings, the puffer jacket. We need the puffer jacket.
Green glasses.
Lucky green glasses, guys.
There will be some points, however, that you will not have all the items with you because most likely other girl might have it.
We're missing beanie hat and upper arm goddess bangles. Upper arm goddess bangles. They've gone down.
What do you need? Hi, beautiful. Colorful sunglasses? Are those the colorful sunglasses?
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, she will come here all the way to this station. Here we'll have Edward. Once they are ready, Edward, you just send them off.
Black sunglasses. You have black sunglasses. Check. Normal. Pink scarf. Good. You are good to go.
Thank you.
Green one.
So here we have our dear Edward volunteering. Yeah, he's like the spine of, you know, the checkups. Yeah, you're like the spine. Yeah, and then here we have everybody prepping, all the accessories, everything is ready, everything is sorted after yesterday. All the models are getting ready, are getting their tickets.
I think every day starts off a little bit hectic because we have new models, a new bunch of tickets, and sometimes models change and things change, so we had to adjust. But I think now we're going to be running smoothly from here on. What do you think?
I hope so.
Hi guys, so this is probably my third look of the day, which I think looks pretty cool and retro, but let's go down once again just to have a look at what's going on. Today all our OG models, which are like original collection models, they are shooting and they all are looking so good.
Paulina is next.
Let's go.
Paulina is next.
Angela is here.
Hello. Paulina is next.
I need your earrings.
So here we have Paulina in front of the camera and ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Say hello. Say hello.
Still in the goddess dress.
Woohoo!
Bad girl look.
Hero is just, I don't know. Usually I always find him that side, but I don't know what he's doing here, but he's maybe trying to just adjust the pose or something. He's a superb photographer who is keeping a lot of patience and doing it with a lot of compassion and love.
3, 2, 1. Perfect. Really nice. Thank you.
Working as a unity, this really like portraying how strong we can be and how we can actually achieve anything we set out to. This project is done for something that's so much greater than ourselves.
amazing thing is that we had girls from all around the world. They came literally from every part of the world.
England.
I'm from the Netherlands.
India.
I'm from Malaysia. I live in London. Belgium.
Germany.
Eritrea. What I really love about this particular space is that I would call myself a yogini. I'm a very spiritual being, and that is how I got inclined towards this space. But having said that, I'm also a fashionista. I'm also a makeup influencer and a makeup artist, so I am too inclined towards materialistic things as well, and binding both of those things together, I think that is the beauty, like bringing spirituality and virtuality together. That is so beautiful. And here we are also talking about how to make money, you know, so how to have that abundance mindset.
I mean, if you look at the world, especially in the last few years, there's been so much divide and so much separation and so much hate and frustration and anger. And what I believe this project represents is people coming together. As we shoot this project, we had people flying from all around the world who came together as volunteers to say, hey, let's do something special. Let's do something that has a positive message to spread the message of love, of positivity, of compassion, of equality, and being able to put that fun back in again. And knowing that if we all came together as one, with one vision, with one mission to serve a greater message, that we can really make the world a better place, you know?
Working with all these beautiful people here, I would never have imagined that I would be in this position a year ago. I was, stuck in a dead-end job that I hated, and now I'm living with so much purpose and passion and putting my life's energy into something that's actually improving and benefiting this world. So I'm so grateful to be here.
We're starting to transition into the afternoon, which becomes a little bit more hard. Girls are already tired, up and down. It's not easy. Actually, it's very tough, but they're putting together the best face, the best energy. So we're here.
It has been absolutely intense and incredible.
I would say today was just spectacular.
Everything today has been really good, very smooth, no hiccups, nothing going wrong. It was actually just perfect.
Are you guys ready for the best NFT launch ever?
Nobody's here.
We do have a lot of pictures to take.
You got to follow the rules.
No control whatsoever.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the final product.